Alright, this is Mr. McMurray, and we are here with the ramp. We have a wooden ramp here. We have a pole that has different holes in the side that we can put the ramp at different heights. And we have a car. The car fits in a little slot here, and it slides up and forth, and it goes back and down. Now, on the side of the car, it has a flag. It can either have a wide flag, which is about 5 centimeters long, or it can have a skinny flag, which is 1 centimeter. All right, so what is the purpose of the flag? Well, the flag goes through the photo gates, and you may notice the lights that blink when it does that. Okay, there's a little beam of infrared going here. When the flag blocks it, it starts timing, and when it gets through and the light connects again, it times the difference between that. All right, if you have the big flag, that distance that tells you how long it took for it to travel those 5 centimeters from the first of the flag to the back of the flag. If you use the green flag, then it's telling you from the first of it to the end of it, which is 1 centimeter. Travel 1 centimeter in however many 10,000ths of a second. It is very precise. Okay. Then it rolls down here and does the same thing at the bottom. You see, there's another light coming on. This is the photo gate at the bottom. Okay, same thing. This is B photo gate. And same thing, it blocks when it comes in, and it lets the light come through when it comes out the other side, and that tells us how long it takes to go through B. Now, since B is down toward the bottom, it's going faster, so we expect the time to be exactly shorter because it's going faster, so it doesn't take as long for it to do that. Now, the other thing it measures is what we call TAB, which is the time it takes to go from A to get to B. Okay? And this would be kind of like an average speed because it tells us how far it can travel for the whole average. All right, and so basically that's kind of our setup here, and that's how it's set up. Now we did it at the very bottom first of all, which was setting up, I believe, 2 holes. Whoops, drop that, but that's okay. And you can see that's almost flat. It just barely went. Then went to 3, and then we skipped every other one. We went to 5 and 7, and eventually went to 19, which is very steep. And in some places we actually went vertical like this, where it went straight up and down. Okay, and so that would tell us how much the speed would increase each of those times as we did that. Okay, and so then once we get those measurements, which we'll give you in the attached document, and once we give you those measurements, then you can use those measurements to fill in your chart and start calculating things. All right, so enjoy, and hopefully this will all work out well. But anyhow, that should give you enough to get started on.